How y'all doing? And thanks for tuning into this beautiful, bold, new 26 GMC Sierra. This is a beautiful new color by GM. I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but this is a Sierra 1500 AT4. This does have the little baby diesel in it. Good customer of ours, Ludwig Explosives. This dude blows stuff up. So if you see this truck and the lights flashing, get the hell out of Dodge, because stuff's going down and he's getting ready to blow something up. Yeah, that's why we went with kind of that bold, aggressive amber with the standard white alternation. Now you could do a slower alternation. I like that, but I like this little flicker it has. Looks real good, kind of reminiscent of the old school cop cars wigwagon. Just did 4 amber in the grill there. This is a single switch operation. It is ran on a constant feed from the battery. There's our switch right there, and our battery pull is from the circuit box right behind that switch. And we even put a battery protection device on this vehicle, so the battery will never run down low where you can't start the vehicle. More information on that battery protection device can be found in the description. And around the back, we've got our wire cut kit on our auto flasher for the cargo light there. It's in the passenger A-pillar. It's still very easy to get to in passenger A-pillar, but it is a wire. There is no plug. So you need to clip one wire for that white cargo light to do what you see it doing there. Below it, we've got our reverse auto flasher kit. That's a plug and play at the factory frame connections right underneath the tailgate there behind the rear bumper by the spare tire. That allows you to get that reverse action just like the headlights. 29 different patterns if you'd like on that, and a steady burn feature if you'd like that as well. Now working our way down to where a car's eyes would be and backing up just a little bit, you can see those mpower 3s complementing the mpowers we had on the front of the truck in the steps there. And what I like about that is as we work our way around the side of this, you'll see how that step becomes its own kind of light. Look at the size, look at the footprint of that flash. I mean, that's a large reflection of amber. It works very well. You get a good bounce of light. Like that just works really good right there in the corner in those step all the way around the truck. So that's why we do it like that. So once again, GMC Sierra AT4 2026. I'm going to put this all together for you as a kit. We've got 2 mpowers in the back here. We've got our plug and play, fully self-contained reverse auto flasher kit. So the reverse kit comes with everything you need, and the cargo light above it comes with everything you need. We are going to put 30 feet of 18.5, which will allow you to start at the passenger light, jump right over, daisy chain to the driver light, jump right forward to your switch. That's how the mpower lights are ran off a 30-foot piece of 18.5. We're going to go ahead and throw a fuse kit in there for you. We're going to go ahead and throw in this rocker switch, which the color may vary. I'm going to show you where you can drill the firewall on this new truck. Right there, right below the hood cable, you can see we've sliced the carpet. And right behind there is where we can drill. We're going to put a grommet in there for you. Drill your 3/4 hole right there. That's where you can get the wiring right through this firewall without any danger. Do be careful. There is a brake line on the other side, so don't go hog wild when you drill that. Okay, 3/4 hole right here for your lighted switch, and your fuse will get power from underneath here right on the power. Now if you want that battery protection module, email in. That is a brand new item. It's not part of this kit, so if you want the battery protection module, email in. We'll get you the details on it. Now working our way around the front, DRL Auto Flasher plug and play kit comes with everything you need. 4 amber mpowers. If you want to switch them out, no problem, but we're going to give you the 4 amber mpowers. Those join together on each side. The passenger 2 join together, the driver 2 join together. Once again, a 30-foot piece of 18.5 will be included. That is to go from the passenger side light. Leave a little bit of extra after you join them together, join them to the 18.5, loop it over the radiator, take it over to the driver's side, join it up daisy chain style to that pair of lights, and then go back through the firewall to the switch with the 18.5. That's how you do that. That's what you're going to get. Going to give you an accessory kit in here as well. Going to give you some other things in the kit, so make sure you look over it, make sure you understand it, and any questions, please reach out before you order. That's it. We're going to throw it all together for you. I got it all done within 5 minutes, guys. Thanks for sticking with me. All the details will be in the description and at wickedwardings.com. Thanks again for tuning in.